Hi, today I get to show you Alice in Wonderland journal that I made. So there is 4 different creators featured in here. We have Nathalie from Line Arrow with Alice in Wonderland and Alice in Wonderland updated kits. We have a free kit from Jacobsen, Artsy Fartsy Life, and we have Amanda Chanko with the black and white Alice cards and fussy cuts. And there are some HCC challenge freebies in here. This journal came about starting with the challenge with HCC and Line Arrow. And I started working on their challenges at the beginning of the month, and at the end of the month I thought, well, now that I have all this stuff, I should do something with it. So that's when I got Nathalie's kits and put together the journal. So it has a beautiful tassel here. It has a looking glass thing there, some beads, an eye, the front cover. The cover is actually a cereal box covered with a gift bag, and then the collage. I have a clock face there, set at 6 o'clock, because it's always 6 o'clock in Wonderland. I have some tassels on the side with the key and other hangers. Inside cover is a presentation cover that I put on the front and back, and some tea-dyed cotton. So I'm just going to flip through it now. I will point out a few of the creators. This is Line Arrow. This is one of the cards that I made from the challenge. This is Amanda. Challenge hidden paper clips. Beautiful pages from Nathalie. Little tuck there. Another one of the hidden paper clips. This is from Tara. Second signature. On Amanda's black and whites, I just colored a little bit here and there. The person who gets this journal can add more coloring as they like. Three signatures. It's a hidden spine. This is a flip-flop. Another double tuck, stuffed full. Some more cards in the back and some tags. And then an envelope with all the leftovers. So again, the person that gets this journal can continue to decorate. Thank you very much for watching. I would appreciate it if you would hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Have a good day.